first of all, what went through my mind is how stupid am I to actually validate.
Hello, nature lovers. Today we meet two incredible creatures, sperm and tadpoles. You might think they're very different, and it's true. One is tiny, the other much bigger. One grows into a human, the other into a frog. But look closer. Both sperm and tadpoles are swimmers. They live in watery worlds and they wiggle and wag their way to success. We'll journey into their watery worlds. We'll see how these amazing creatures move. Get ready for a microscopic adventure. Sperm are tiny, like little dots. They have a powerful tail called a flagellum. It whips back and forth, pushing the sperm forward. Tadpoles are much bigger. They have a long tail too, but it's flat. It moves side to side like a fish. Both sperm and tadpoles are built for swimming. Their tails are strong. They help them move quickly through water. Sperm have a very important job: to find an egg. They swim a long way to get there. It's like a race, and only the fastest sperm win. Tadpoles live in water. They swim to find food and escape danger. Their tails help them dart away from predators. Swimming is important for both sperm and tadpoles. It helps them survive and thrive. Sperm and tadpoles are very different creatures, but they share something special: the ability to swim. They use their tails to move through water, and they rely on swimming to survive. Next time you see a frog, remember the tiny tadpole it once was, and think about the incredible journey of the sperm, a tiny swimmer with a big job. Nature is full of surprises.